Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, students, from tomorrow your holidays are going to be started for 5 days,
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
15 to 19, and then 20 again. You have to come back for
Ma'am,
your regular
tomorrow,
class.
Only 15
ma'am,
days.
tomorrow is holiday.
Yeah, 5 days holidays.
Okay.
Your teacher will post the message in the classroom again. It is already posted. She will post again also. Okay, it is already posted in the classroom. Bacha. If you see the holidays, the Diwali holidays and the Dashera holidays. Okay. Same to you, Tesh Kumar.
Ma'am,
Same.
I have drawn the patterns.
Very good. I will ask from you, right? Okay, students, as we are learning about the chapter number 10, play with patterns. Patterns are everywhere in numbers, letters, alphabets. Everywhere the patterns are there, pictures or tiles, or you can see windows on the walls, curtains, bed sheets. Everywhere you can see the in nature. Everywhere you can see the patterns, and patterns have a very beautiful creativity, right? When then only the things will look good if you create them in the patterns, right? So we have learned about the number pattern. Now I will show you about the shape pattern. One I will make and then you will make, students, right?
Ma'am, we have to take out notebook.
No. You if you have the rangometry kit, students, with you all, this rangometry, like few of the students I can see have, like Tej Kumar, Manya. Just a minute, students. Just a minute. Okay. So I can see the students are with the rangometry kits. Like yesterday, Manya has shown us this pattern also with the triangles. One is like this, and then she put the another triangle upside down. Color also changed and shape also changed
Ma'am,
upside down. This way she has
Ma'am,
created
yes.
a very. My screen is blurred.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me 1 minute. Now please check.
No, ma'am.
Still not
yes,
coming.
ma'am. It is blurred. It is still blurred.
Ma'am, but I
No,
don't have
ma'am.
rangometry.
If you don't have, you can draw also the shapes in the notebook. It is still not coming.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then do wait one. Let me do
Ma'am,
one.
your voice is also cutting and
Ma'am,
your
it is
screen
not
is
coming.
also blur.
No,
Okay.
ma'am. Your voice is not cutting.
Give me 1 minute, bacha. Let me on with the another device. Now please check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
perfect.
ma'am. Perfect.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. It is now clear.
Okay. So she was using the triangles in this way and creating a pattern, and you can see when the pattern is being made, you can see the colors also will be same. For example, now I'm using the green and purple. So I will continue use the green and purple, and I will change this way. I am creating a pattern. Will it is looking nice, right? This is called the shape pattern. Suppose if you have this is also one shape pattern which I am going to make now. Square, triangle, then orange square. Then again I will take the red square. Then what will come next, students?
Ma'am, triangle.
Ma'am,
Which color
triangle.
triangle?
Ma'am,
Any
blue
color?
triangle.
Blue.
Blue
Blue.
triangle. Yes. Blue triangle. Why? Because
Blue.
I am following the pattern. What will come next?
Orange box. Orange
Orange
square.
block.
Square.
Orange
Orange block.
square.
Orange. And if I continue, what will come next?
Red block.
Ma'am, red
Red
square.
square.
Red square. Then blue color
Red
triangle.
square.
So are you all clear with the shape patterns, with the shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Suppose
ma'am.
I am using this one. This is which shape?
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Then mm, one red color square. Then one green color triangle. What will come next now?
Ma'am, hexagon.
Then next
Hexagon.
Red square.
Square.
red square. Then what will come next?
Green
Green
triangle.
triangle.
Green.
Green triangle.
Am I right, students? Please let me know I am right or wrong.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So
No,
which
ma'am.
color I have to put
No,
here?
ma'am.
Green.
Green.
Green. So when
Green.
the shapes are repeating, shapes are changing, the color also should be the similar one. You cannot change the color in the patterns. Clear? Okay. Now, students, I am giving you a chance to make such patterns. Like yesterday, Manya and some few of the students were having a board like this, and they were showing me. Is there any other child will show me this way?
Ma'am,
Please.
may I?
Ma'am, may
Yes,
I?
Danya. Raise your virtual hand. We'll give you a chance. Yes.
I don't have a board, but I have drawn up the
Okay. Show me notebook. No problem. Yeah. First, Manya. Then I will call your name. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is I have made from the same blocks. Red square, like a kite shape.
Manya, your
Then
voice is
blue
breaking.
square.
Yeah. See, the she has make the square shape, and but she has put it in the kite shape or the diamond shape. Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am. Red diamond, blue diamond, then orange diamond, and we can go ahead.
Right, okay.
Then triangle again into a diamond shape, like yellow, green, like that.
Very good.
Now rectangle, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, like that. Then these are the kite shapes. Orange triangle, made orange kite shape and red kite shape. Then again ahead.
Repeat.
Then green rectangle, blue rectangle, green rectangle, blue rectangle. Blue rectangle are small and greens are big.
Right. Very good.
Then these are also made with rectangle, yellow rectangle, red rectangle, again red, yellow, yellow, red.
So what will come next in this one?
Now it will come from here. We start. It will come yellow.
No. Yellow up. Yes. Red up, then red down.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
again the red up will come, na?
Yes. Then red up, again red, and yellow again down.
Down.
Like that.
This way it is going, no?
Yes.
Red up, yellow down. Yellow up, red down. Now red up, yellow down. This way it will come. So nice pattern. Very good, Manya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other child? Yes, Danya, please show me.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will go to Jigar Singh and the other students. Yes.
Ma'am, first the arrow is up, then it's down, then the arrow
So
is up.
if your arrow is up and then it's down, can you tell me when it is down, which turn it is taking?
Ma'am, it's going up straight, then it's
I have explained yesterday 1/4 turn, half a turn from the original position. My marker cap is up, then it's going down. How much turn it is taking? It's taking
taking half turn.
half turn. And suppose it is not taking, it is not coming like this, it is this much. So students, how much turn it's taking? From the original position, it is just turning this 1/4, then half a turn, then it will go 3/4. 2/4 is half a turn, na? and then 3/4, and then again coming on the original position full. Yes, please, Danya, continue.
Then there is one circle, then two circles, then three circles, then four. We can repeat it.
Repeat. Okay.
Then there is one triangle, one square, then two triangle, then two square, then three triangle, then three square.
Okay.
So we can repeat. Then there is one circle, one triangle, then one circle, then upside down triangle, then one circle, then three triangles. That we can repeat.
Okay. Thank you. Very good.
Thank you.
Yes, Jiga Singh.
Ma'am, I have made first triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, and triangle. Then is square, diamond, square, diamond, square, diamond.
And you can see that you are using the similar color also, right? If you are
Yes.
using the green color, you are following with the green color. You are not using any other color in the square. This is called the pattern. When you are repeating the shape also and repeating the color also, then it will come in the pattern. If you will not repeat the color, it will not come in the pattern. Clear? Any other child wants to show me? Yes, Vihan Dobaria. Those who are done, Jiga Singh, lower down your hand.
Yes,
Niva, if you
ma'am.
want
I
to show me,
will
raise
show
your
you
hand.
tomorrow. But I made this from potatoes.
Very good.
Red, green,
Good, good.
red.
Okay. So you can see your potatoes direction also is this way. Red is going this, the green is going this way. Red is going another left, right, then the green is going right side.
Left.
Just see, yes, left and right. It is
Yes.
put it like that. Very
Yes,
good.
better leave.
Any other child wants to show me?
Coconut leaves. I made a hole in between it.
Okay. So now students, please make your own patterns also, because there are endless patterns. There it is nothing which I give you, you have to just only learn. No, it is not like that. You have to create your own things. Then only you will learn it in a better way, right? So, yes, Moksh. Please keep this aside, Aradhya. Keep this Dandiya aside. Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, I have made some patterns.
Very good. Good. So this way, I students want you to create your own patterns so that you can learn and explore yourself कि आपको कितना समझ में आया. If you don't understand, ask me in the next class. Okay. Now I am teaching you one thing which is very interesting. Take out your textbook page number. You know, this complete chapter is very interesting.
Hello, ma'am. I want to show you something in that class. I can't show you that.
Yeah, please show me.
Ma'am, I am doing in this book, so it has many meanings that all things, and
Ah,
also,
yes, yes. These are the reasoning books.
ma'am, it has also mathematical term and English.
Yes,
It
very.
has this paper folding also
Ma'am,
in
what's the
that.
number?
First there is like a full paper, then it folds and folds again, and then there is a design. So now we have to imagine and then see how it is when it will be unfolded, how it will be look.
Yes. So I'm going to present my screen. I will first do the page number 107. First, we will discuss what we have done till now. Then we go to the new thing. Page number 107. Let me take the attendance, students. Then I will continue. This is your textbook page number 120, 107. Tinu use this block. So this is the one block only. But if you can see, first she created a border. She put it like this. Then now she is coming and filling the complete. कई बार दुपट्टा होता है, साड़ी होती है, हमको completely block से print करनी है. So what we do is, कैसे करेंगे? Then he has changed this way. He has created the flowers. Can you see how nicely the border is created? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Children,
Ma'am,
one day in the class also, after the break, after the Shera break, when we come in the classes, we will one day organize an activity related with the blocks and all, right? So that you can understand how we can do the block painting. Next, he made this bed sheet with the same block. Now, when you see the block which is down, page number Vihan Dobariya 107. If you are still confused, page 107.
I'm not saying the page number.
Then what you were saying?
That the first one, na, it looks like it is punching.
Then it is coming. Next, you can see the same block. It is used, but then they are turning it. First, it was on the original position. Then they have turned it 1/4 turn, and the design is like this. Then they have turned half a turn. Then they have done the 3/4 turn, and then you can see the complete. This block has been created. When wait a minute, I will make you here also show you here on the my board. Suppose you are putting one triangle like this. One triangle like this. Then one triangle in this way to the 1/4 turn. Then you are putting one triangle to the half a turn, and then again triangle to the 1/3/4 turn. So now this way, this something is being created, different style design is being created. This way they have put the blocks also. First they have started, then they have put the 1/4 turn, then 3/4, sorry, half a turn, and then 3/4 turn, and you can see the nice pattern is being created with one block only. एक ही block है उनके पास, एक ही design है, दूसरे designs नहीं है, but you can see the new designs have been created. Sorry. Till here everyone clear? Can I move? Any confusion?
No,
ma'am.
Open page number 108. Now again the same block. But what is the rule they are following here, students? Can you tell me?
ma'am, up down.
Yes, up down rule is they are following. One is up, then down, then means up down. If it is, you can say half a turn. Yes, or no?
Yes.
It is half a turn block. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you see how Tinu made different pattern using the same block? Now, you too made 3 different patterns. Now, there is one block given to you down. अगर आप नीचे बॉक्स में आएंगे, so this is the one block given to you. Can you students create the pattern? Now, I am going to show you few patterns. You can also create your own pattern and show me in the next class. Suppose first is up and down. You are saying that is half a turn. Then again it will go up, half a turn. एक एक बार में half turn है, सीधा ही. Suppose ये triangle था. This is green triangle. Then they have again, this is this way. Complete half turn कर दिया उसका. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this way they are doing half a turn. In the second pattern, what they have did is block लिया. Which child is this? Which child is this? Somebody is in between. Is there any child who have not understood? Which child was there, Manya? Have you noticed?
No, ma'am.
Aradhya, are you clear? Okay. So half a turn is clear to you all. Vishrut, My dear, you don't know the class timing?
Join from another device.
You were,
I am joining from another device.
but you were not there from the beginning in the class, no?
Ma'am, I was there.
My dear, when I had taken the attendance, you were not there.
Ma'am, I was there when you were
Okay,
taking attendance.
let me check. It will come to me. Okay. Next. Now, if you use the second block, first they have done the 1/4, then they have done again the 3/4. Each time they are turning half. अब यहाँ से half हो रहा है, यहाँ से जब half start करेंगे तो वो 3/4 पे आएगा. Got it? You can see the turns which I am doing here on the board also.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
And see, it was like this. The point is here. Now the point is in this way. Now the point is in this way. Again half. Now next will be what? Towards left. Am I clear?
Yes.
So this way you can also create your own pattern there. I am not telling you any rule that you follow that only. You can create your own 3 patterns and tell me in the next class.
Ma'am, but
Next.
it's written we have to make from this only.
ब्लॉक तो सेम होगा. आप 1/4 टर्न पे आप पैटर्न बना रहे हो, क्या हाफ अ टर्न पे पैटर्न बना रहे हो, कि 3/4 टर्न पे पैटर्न बना रहे हो, इट्स अप टू यू. कि एवरी टाइम आप 3/4 टर्न करा रहे हो सीधा ही. राइट मोक्ष, अंडरस्टूड? जैसे ये ओरिजिनल पोजीशन है, इसका 3/4 टर्न ऐसा होगा सीधा, दिस वे, डायरेक्ट 3/4 टर्न, बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट डन 1/4, दे हैव नॉट डन हाफ. अगर 1/4 करते तो पॉइंट यहां होता, अगर हाफ करते तो पॉइंट यहां होता, बट नेक्स्ट स्टेप उन्होंने डायरेक्टली 3/4 टर्न का दिखाया. सो अब 3/4 के बाद नेक्स्ट टर्न क्या होना चाहिए? कितने टर्न्स लिए डायरेक्टली इसने? 3 टर्न्स. सो नाउ डायरेक्टली वेयर इट विल बी नाउ नेक्स्ट?
मैम हाफ
हाँ, पर टर्न पे होगा. 3 टर्न्स लिए ना एक साथ, 1/4 1/4 3 टाइम्स यहाँ टर्न हो गया. तो अब ये हाफ अ टर्न पे हो गया, बिकॉज फुल 1/4 एंड हाफ 3 टर्न्स एक साथ लिए हैं. क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes.
So that you need to take care and be careful regarding this. Now come on the next page, 109. Yamini has used her blocks to make a few patterns. Now see, she is using the
Hello,
leaves.
ma'am, but you said whole. First it is whole and then you take 3/4 turn.
हाँ, first it is whole, then I have taken 3/4 turn. When whole it was there, कई बार तो point कुछ marks होते हैं तो आपको easily पता लग जाता है. Suppose I am putting a dot here, right? And now the same block I have used.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am, yours. I'm yours.
Now you can see, students.
Ma'am, but
Yes.
the screen is blurred.
Now it will come within 1 or 2 seconds.
Hello, ma'am. If we take another 3/4 turn, so it will now come on 3. Means 1/4.
No.
It will
Again 3/4 turn when you take full 1/4 and 3/4, it will come down here. तो आप देख रहे हो मैंने मूव करवाया, जो डॉट कहाँ मूव हो रहा है?
Ma'am, but why we are adding 1/4?
We are adding 3 times 1/4, make 3/4. Right? Moksh, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to the page number 109. Yamini has used her blocks. So in the first block, she is having 1 leaf. Then she added the another leaf at the 1/4 turn. Then she added the third leaf at the half a turn. And then she added the fourth leaf on 3/4 turn. So can you tell me how she is going to complete this now? Next picture में क्या आना चाहिए? 2 leaves.
2, 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the next picture it will come 1 leaf, then 2 leaf,
2 leaf
Then-
on second leaf on the 1/4 turn.
1.
Then she added third leaf on the half
Third
or
leaf
turn.
on the half. Then she
And the
added
fourth leaf on the
3/4.
yes. So this way you can complete. Now go to the next. First you see it is down going and then two are there. Right.
Ma'am,
In the
it is
second,
adding also and going upside down.
yeah, this is up, down, up. This is down, this is up. But you can see now it is increasing to 3. Now what should come next?
Ma'am, now it will come.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I?
Now it will come 4, na?
It will be upside one. Ma'am, may I say?
No. Yes, say.
Ma'am, it will be 4 down
It should be 4, yes.
and
4 down and 4 up.
up.
Go to the next one, the circle one. You can see 1/4 part is colored, sorry. Then which part is color? Again, 1/4 is colored, but the half पे जाके clockwise move कर रहा है. Then it is which part is coloring? The next,
whole.
which will come to the next? यहाँ पे color होना चाहिए ना next में?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you. This way. So this should be colored next. And then again, this one, then this, and this again. You know the turns now?
Yes.
Clear? Can I go next? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
We can also make the patterns with the numbers and the letters. Below are the few examples. It is done for you. Few examples are given. A, B, C, then D, E, F. And you know, children, please note what I have noticed is children are easily noticing that A, B, C hai, फिर D, E, F है, G, H, I है, J, K, L आना चाहिए. But what they are doing is they are writing in this small letters sometimes. But if it is a capital, copy the same capital. If it is a small, copy the same small. जैसा है वैसा ही आपको continue pattern में करना है. Am I clearly audible? Can I move to the next now?
Yes, ma'am.
So please fill this and do this pattern like this. JKL, MNO, PQR and ST, U and so on it will go. 28Z, then you can see what is the next. 27Y. So one number is decreasing to the numbers. After 28, 27 is there. Then 26. Then what will be the next students?
Ma'am, 25 W.
25. So X, W, X. Yes, W will come. Then this way you can complete this patterns.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. 24.
24V.
Next will be Divit. Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me fast, bacha.
Ma'am,
Yes. Aradhya, tell.
and 24V.
24V is already given by Manya. Next.
Oh, sorry. 24U.
Number 24 ही रहेगा बच्चा.
23.
Yes. 23U, 22. So you can see the letters also decreasing and the numbers also decreasing. To 864, 764, 664. What will be the next?
560.
Then what will be the next after 564 students? Please speak.
464.
464. After 464, what will be the next?
364.
364.
Yes.
Ma'am,
9.
please.
Once. Yes, who's saying, ma'am, please? Aradhya, I have given you a chance, bacha, before. Then you are, I don't know where you were lost and you gave 2 times the answer wrong. 9, 109, then 209, then what will come?
309.
309.
309, then what will come next? 409.
409.
Yes, this way you can continue the pattern. Any confusion till here?
No. No.
No, ma'am.
Now write your own number pattern. Children, I am giving you one number pattern here. You can create your own number pattern also. See, first is 18, then it is 38. So 20 is added. Then again in 38, 20 will be added, 58. 20 will be added, then what will be the next?
78.
Then this way I am giving you the example, but don't copy my examples. Write your own examples in the note textbook and show me tomorrow, or in not show me tomorrow, in the next coming class after the holidays. Okay, done. Now I am going to show you this squares. No number come twice. It is given here, no number come twice. What does this mean? Means they are using, there is a square grid. I am telling you, use 1, 2, 3 numbers, right? Only use these 3 numbers. Just a minute. Whose mic is on?
Ma'am, man.
No, ma'am.
Manya's mic.
Mani.
Okay. Use only 1, 2, 3, and I am giving you a square grid where I have given these standing lines are called what, students? You know about the columns and row?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what a standing line means? I have made 3 standing lines. These are 3
Columns.
columns. And when I make them sleeping, 3 sleeping, these are
Rose.
rows. So I have made the 3 column and 3 row a square grid where I'm going to use 1, 2, 3. Only these 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 3. And I am going to fill this completely. But I am not going to repeat any number. कोई भी नंबर 2 बार एक लाइन में रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. Suppose I am putting 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. Can you tell me what will come here?
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes, Manya.
3.
3 is already there.
No, ma'am. In the second row, after 1 after 1 means
Okay.
down.
Here. Here.
1.
Here again 1. 1 is, see.
No, ma'am, not there.
Then where? यहाँ पे.
Yes.
Here 1.
No. Down.
Under which number?
Under 2.
Here no.
Yes, there will be 1 and 3 will be under 1 in the second row.
So this, she has filled this column, right? She has filled this column 2, 1, 3, which here no, nothing number is not repeated. All are separate 3 numbers. So now we need to fill these also. So Viva, what are we going to write here, Viva? Yes, Viva, please speak.
There.
Yes. 2. And here?
1.
Suchi, what we will write here?
3.
And here?
2.
Very good answer. She has noticed that 1 and 2 already used. So what is the missing? 3. 3 and 1 is already used. What is the missing? 2. So you can see in this line 1, 3, 2 all are separate number. 2, 1, 3 separate. 3, 2, 1 separate. You can check diagonally also. This is called diagonals. These are called diagonals. यहाँ पर भी separate होना चाहिए कुछ. नहीं, here it is okay. But in the blocks, it should not repeat. Clear? In the blocks, this way, it should not repeat. And this sleeping also it should not repeat. Standing and sleeping means in the rows and in the columns it should not repeat. You have to use the separate. Now you make the grid with the letters A, B, C. A, B, C. I'm giving you 3 letters. And now you children tell me how you are going to put the letters A, B, C in the grid so that the letters will not repeat. Yes, Vihan Babaria.
Yes. For first we will put A in the and then will we put B.
Down B.
No, at the side of A. Then we will put C. At the
Now I will
down
give
of
next child. Manya, what will come here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will come C, then A.
A तो ऑलरेडी है इस लाइन में. इस लाइन में हम ये रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. स्टैंडिंग में
Ma'am, B.
कॉलम्स में B. Yes. जिगर सिंह.
Ma'am, I was seeing the call rows, so that's why.
Yes. जिगर सिंह, tell me.
Ma'am, B, A, C.
B is already there, then A and then C. Okay. Next is Dania.
Ma'am, CBA.
Very good. It is really interesting. कुछ दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. Automatically come to us. Yes.
Ma'am, it's like Sudoku.
Yes. You can also take your any numbers like 5, 6, 7, 6, 4, 5, 6 you are taking and ask your parents to help play with them and tell them to fill these 3 numbers in such a way so that it should be not repeat in the rows and columns and play with them and
Ma'am.
really enjoy.
Ma'am, did you notice one thing in this pattern? ABC one.
1 to
Yes,
9
yes.
and add them and all these sums should be
That also come. We are coming on the next topic. That is next
Ma'am,
topic.
ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Thank
did
you.
notice something in the one ABC one?
Vihan.
That is
Bye, ma'am.
ABC one. There is